Hey, good morning, guys. Just wanted to let you all know what we're going to start here with the last coat. You know, we all send you emails and that kind of thing to keep you posted and informed, and some tutorials on how to use the product and what's going on with it. So the new thing that we're going to offer is kind of a question and answer segment. So if you guys have any type of things you're wondering or about detailing per se. So if you guys are wondering like what's the best buffer, compounds, scratch removal, basic washing, I mean, even if you had questions on running a detailing business, I have a lot of answers. I have a lot of useless knowledge in my head, so feel free to pick at it. You know, it's probably endless upon what you guys can ask me and I can give you an answer for. It took me many years to learn a lot of this stuff. I started 15 years old at a body shop, pretty much sanding my life away, and doing a lot of paint prep. So that's where I got my start and where I started gaining my knowledge. So I'm not going to tell you exactly how old I am, but y'all can see I got some gray. So there's definitely some experience in what I do and what I can offer you all. There's no need for y'all to spend many years to learn what I have when you can just simply ask me. The whole benefit of making the last coat was to make your life easier. So, hey, let's go a step farther and make your life easier in other avenues as well with cleaning the car. So back to, you know, whatever question you got, cleaning leather, cleaning plastic, cleaning your dashboard, cleaning a window. I mean, as simple as it may seem to you and you may be embarrassed to ask, there's literally a method for everything. And there's a reason why there is professional detailers, because there's certain tricks to the trade. And I can definitely show you those and definitely help you all out and make your weekends a lot easier. And you can spend a little more time with your family and more productive things that you're trying to do. So I know y'all like, you know, rolling around in your clean car. So definitely if we can make that happen for you quicker, that's what we're here for. So hope that helps. Think about the questions. You can shoot them to our email. You can get onto our Instagram or our Facebook, ask the questions there. Instagram, we're at The Last Coat. Facebook, it's going to be the same thing, at The Last Coat. Just search The Last Coat. We're going to pop up anywhere and everywhere. So thank you all for watching, and get those questions ready, and I'll be ready to answer them. Have a good day, y'all. Bye.